All right, so we're going to get the pictures ready first. I've already identified pictures I want to use, but I'm showing you how you can click on any picture and isolate the image that you want to use for your flyer. Now we're selecting a template. See, I searched for event flyer just to get some generic versions, and I selected the one that I liked, and this is where we'll begin modifying. So you can see this generic background is more of a concert. So I'm going through Google, searching for medical images, and I found one that I liked, and I just downloaded the image to use as the new background. Now it is time to do the real work. So let's begin editing the flyer. can see here, all we're doing now is putting the final touches on the flyer, and then the last thing to do is click download, and then we're done. We have a complete flyer that's ready for Mr. Harrison's approval.